Get ready to meet the Hyundai Inster, a small electric car set to shake up the EV world in 2024. With the market flooded by bland SUVs and crossovers, Hyundai's design team delivers a refreshing, quirky hatchback that's turning heads for all the right reasons. Following the success of the bold Ioniq 5 and futuristic Ioniq 6, the Inster combines compact practicality with a whole lot of personality. Whether you find it cute or odd, there's no denying this EV stands out in a sea of sameness. With hatchbacks making a long-awaited comeback, the Hyundai Inster promises a fun, affordable option packed with style and innovation. But is it just good-looking, or does it perform as well as it looks? Let's find out if the Inster is truly the small EV champion we've been waiting for. The Hyundai Inster is here to impress. This fully electric hatchback offers big features in a small package. With a quirky yet modular design, it has personality that stands out, resembling the Suzuki Ignis, but with a unique Hyundai flair. The Inster offers two battery options, a 42 kWh pack for over 300 km range and a 49 kWh pack with 355 km range. Its nimble handling makes it perfect for city driving, while the interior surprises with clever space. Rear seats slide for more legroom or boot space. Even the driver's seat folds flat for overnight trips. Starting at around 25,000 pounds, the Inster is a practical and affordable EV that challenges the competition. It's stylish, innovative, and ready to lead the compact EV revolution. The Hyundai Inster is here to make small EVs exciting and practical. This smart car has some clever features to make your life easier. The rear doors open almost 90 degrees, so getting in or loading big items is super simple. Inside, the back seats are amazing. They slide, recline, and give lots of legroom and headspace, even for tall people. For a small car, it's really comfy. The boot might seem small at first, but Hyundai's smart design changes everything. There's hidden storage under the floor, foldable back seats, and even the front passenger seat folds down. This gives you plenty of space for shopping trips or up to 4 carry-on bags. Driving the Inster is just as fun. It's light, easy to handle, and perfect for city streets. Plus, it's affordable and packed with cool features that make it different from other EVs. What do you think about Hyundai's clever ideas in this compact car? The Hyundai Inster is a new, affordable electric car. It comes with two battery options, a 42 kWh pack for 300 km range and a 49 kWh pack for 355 kilometers. The Inster is small but surprisingly spacious, offering great legroom and flexible storage. It's nimble on the road, easy to drive, and feels light in the city. With a starting price around 25,000 pounds, it's a practical choice for EV buyers. The Inster comes in two trims and two battery options. The entry-level 01 has a 42 kWh battery, offering 203 miles of range, making it one of the cheapest electric cars. For about $500 more, you can get a slightly bigger battery. Then there's the range-topping 02 model, which comes only with a bigger battery. It also adds more features like heated front seats, cruise control, and stylish rear seats. Inside, both versions look similar, but the 02 offers a brighter, more modern interior. Though the materials are hard plastics, they feel high quality. The layout is user-friendly, with physical buttons for temperature and fan controls, much easier than diving into a touchscreen. When it comes to driving, the Insta offers a smooth experience. The smaller battery has a front-wheel motor, and driving is comfortable with great visibility and simple controls. The Hyundai Inster has a 0 to 62 mph time of 11.7 seconds. If you choose the larger battery, the time drops to 10.6 seconds, which is still slower than many electric cars, but enough to get up to highway speeds easily. It's also quick around town. The ride is very comfortable thanks to soft suspension, although it can be a bit bumpy on rough roads. The car's handling is good and the steering is well balanced. In real-world test, the Inster's efficiency was 3.9 miles per kilowatt-hour, which is decent. For charging, it takes around 30 minutes to go from 10 to 80% thanks to its small battery and moderate charging speed. Thank you for watching our review video. If you're excited about the Hyundai Inster or just love exploring new, affordable EVs, Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos. We have more great reviews and updates coming your way, so we'll see you in the next video.